Hello everybody, this is Carlos Magdi. I'm a visual artist and I'm gonna teach you tricks in Photoshop. This is my course. I've done a lot of things and I'm gonna teach you every single detail to turn all of this into this. You see the difference? Yeah, I like this. How to turn a man with a broom into a painter with a brush, in another mood and another light. How to create real lights. How to spread the light all over the three faces, floor, side, face, and how to make shadows and highlights. How to make shape in the printer and add texture to it. How to add volume for the table and depth for the background. These are the materials I've uploaded for you for free. Download it and use it and show me your outcome. Any questions, I'll be pleased to answer all of it, and I hope you enjoy it. 6 lectures, lot of tricks.